EU researchers request clinical trials to test raloxifene against coronavirus. An EU-funded research consortium called Escalate-4 announced on June 18 that the osteoporosis drug raloxifene has shown promise as a coronavirus drug in virtual and laboratory tests. The researchers are requesting clinical trials to test raloxifene's safety and efficacy against a novel coronavirus. Escalate-4 reportedly focused on the osteoporosis drug after using supercomputers to screen over 400,000 molecules for potential efficacy against SARS-CoV-2. The supercomputers helped the scientists narrow down the list to 7,000 specimens, which they used in laboratory and biological tests. 40 of the 7,000 molecules responded to the virus, but the researchers said raloxifene was the most promising. The consortium believes that raloxifene, an already registered generic drug, can mainly help coronavirus patients with mild cases of the disease or who are asymptomatic. According to Politico, the drug is expected to stop the virus from replicating in patient cells. However, clinical trials will still be needed to test this theory. A spokesman for the pharmaceutical company Dompi Farmaceutici, which leads the consortium, said Escalate-4 is still in talks with Italian ethics gatekeepers and the European Medicines Agency about a possibility of clinical trials starting this summer. Dompi Farmaceutici Research University KU Leuven, a research organization Fraunhofer Institute, were able to secure intellectual property rights for the drug for use against SARS-CoV-2 in May. All of the research will be released to the public, and the spokesman has said that the aim of the project is not to make a big profit. The European Commission said raloxifene could be produced at low cost and at large volumes once they acquire approval, and this will ultimately help the public control the spread of the virus. The research consortium has €3 million in funding from the EU's Research and Innovation Programme, Horizon 2020. The President of the European Commission, Ursula von der Leyen, has even prepared in a short video about a consortium supercomputers and their efforts to find a coronavirus treatment. European Commissioner for Innovation, Research, Culture, Education and Youth, Maria Gabriel, said the Commission has been mobilizing all their efforts to find solutions and stop the virus since January. She said, "Today we need science more than ever." European Commissioner for the Internal Market, Thierry Breton, said these first results demonstrate the value of true pan-European cooperation.